I'm on Manitoba Island making a quick breakfast. It's 6 a.m. I stayed in Sault Ste. Marie last night and there's so many campers here. Oh my god. Stop along the highway, Old Women's Bay. I finally found a place to go to in Manitoba, which has been nothing so far. Military explosives and hazardous debris on this site may cause death or serious injury. Do not touch suspicious objects. There's pincushion cacti here. There's also the western hognose snake here. It's harmless, but apparently it does pretend to be a rattlesnake. I'm gonna run down this hill. Let's go. Got the hiking pole. My boots are definitely completely filled with sand. Prepared for this. Oh my god. Oh my god. And the other one. Alright, well, I'm glad I came. I almost didn't. I kind of reconsidered this morning because I still have some Badlands in Saskatchewan to do and I didn't want it to be too much sand or anything, but I'll do both still. It's fine. This was cool. This was cool. And apparently it's rapidly deteriorating, so I'm not going to be able to see it forever. But now I need to get in Manitoba. Manitoba, because I am bored. This was the only thing to do on my list. And this province is very, very quick to drive through. Like, you can do it in a day. Ontario, oh my god. Forever. Ontario's huge. Sunglasses, because I literally just woke up and I look crazy. My face is so puffy. But I made it to Saskatchewan last night. I stayed at this, like, because there was a bunch of other trucks parked here. There was an SUV beside me last night on this side. But dang, it was loud because the guy beside me has cows. They won't stop walking around. And at one point, the driver like went into the back with the cows and they were like charging at him, I think. There's the cows that were loud. I'm in Wolseley, Saskatchewan right now. I just pulled off the highway because I saw a sign for drinking water, so I filled up my tank, and then there also ended up being a little dumping station, so I got to dump my toilet too. Fun. Well, here it is. This is the national park. It's so, oh my god, it's so eerie and creepy. Positive is that no one can sneak up on you. All kind of stuff out here. We got quicksand, we got prairie wildfires, rattlesnakes, bison. My goal for this park is to see a bison. I'm honestly not very prepared or equipped to do much hiking in this area, but I am gonna do this scenic drive. A cactus! A cactus! It's amazing. Literally both sides of the road just covered in prairie dogs. I'm so close. That's not on Zoom, that's normal. Hi, buddy. They're so cute. That was adorable. They all just like acknowledge the little security dog. The guard dog. I almost call him the security guard. These look like bison tracks. Watch out, prairie dogs. Bye, prairie dogs. Look at this whole gang. Next stop on the eco tour. It's kind of hard to see, but all those stones in a circle around me is a teepee ring. Those stones used to hold down the bison hide on the teepee. I'm also realizing that everything I've been walking past is bison crap. They're far away, but there are 2 bison out there. There he is. That's a big freaking animal. Holy crap. There's another deer. Oh my god, and there's one on this side too. Oh my gosh. The wildlife here. He's like, where are you going? Where are you going? Where are you going without me? Are you gonna go across the street? Okay, you go first, sir. There's another one. Oh my god, it has a baby! Oh my god, it has a baby! All those dots on top of the hill, I believe those are bison. I wish they were closer. Look at them. Look at the big ears. So cute. Of course it's so dark now and it's not focusing, but there's 2 bison out there under the tree. Oh my god, it's huge! I couldn't really tell where I parked last night because it was so dark. But wow. I fell asleep to coyotes howling and I just heard like an entire pack of them, honestly, again, just right now. And I woke up to deers in the hill beside me. Can you see that? That's an albino prairie dog. That is albino. I don't want to go in the... I do want to go in the... I don't want rattlesnakes. Oh, it's gone. But that was an albino-ass prairie dog. There's one. Hey, we did it! I got one! He's scratching his face. That's so funny. He's licking the rock. It's not so windy today and you can hear the squeaks better. I'll have to walk towards them for them to squeak. Give me some squeaks. There.